Today we're working on this door. This door's got a... Hi, Echo. Today we're working on this door. Hi, loose. This door's falling apart. It's a wooden door. Somebody lopped the bottom off of it to fit it in this odd size door frame. And all the joints that weren't really meant to hold this door together finally starting to show that they weren't meant to do that job. So I've devised a diabolical scheme to not only reinforce this door, I'm going to make it windproof, snowproof, dogproof, weatherproof, and whatever other proof it needs to be. It might even be bulletproof when we're done. Who knows? So this door is the exterior door to the back addition, an oddly shaped addition I might add, to my garage. I've also got this step to deal with. We're not going to deal with that today though. I do need to reinforce this. It does close and latch okay, but the wind goes through this garage when the garage door is open, and this thing, even though I block it open, sometimes it pulls it, slams it shut. The dogs are constantly busting in and out of it, and it just needs a little love. I'm going to go ahead and pull the weather strip off the bottom, and then I'm going to show you how I'm going to reinforce this door. Should work. Look good on paper anyway. Stand by. Got it. All right. That was even easier than I thought it was going to be. Oh no. I probably should try to reuse this. I think I'm going to be able to. This thing's a piece of junk though. All right, I've decided I'm not going to reuse this. This is going to be scrap. This is my thought. I have this galvanized with a 1-inch bend on the bottom. I'm going to put this on here on this side. I'm going to screw it to the door, and then on the other side, the outward facing side, I'm going to do it again. These two 1-inch bends will overlap each other. Like this. They're going to overlap each other like this, and then I'm going to put some pan head sheet metal screws in the bottom, thus encapsulating the door, cladding the door, making this door pretty much indestructible. I don't know. Is it even worth doing? Well, we've made it this far. Let's do it. This is my door stop. Isn't that the coolest thing ever? An old iron. I should probably paint it. We got 100% full sun today. Couldn't pick a better day to do this job. This is where I need about 15 hands, and I've only got 2. And those 2 buffoons aren't going to help me. It's a rough life, but they seem to make it work. I wonder if the door closes. This is going to give this door like this industrial looking thing. I'm kind of regretting I didn't bring this up further, but then I would have to deal with that. So let's see if this door closes. That was dramatic. Looks like it's going to work perfect. These are the screws we're using. Phillips head. Not sure how long they are. They're about 1/2 inch maybe. I'm going to use an 1/8 inch drill bit to do a pilot hole through the steel. Then we'll send these screws into the wood. God darn it, it's hot out here. Before I go too far, let me see if it closes. Would you look at that? Gonna add a few more screws and make this thing look dynamite. Sweating like a fat kid playing dodgeball out here. Let's see how this thing looks from the outside. Wouldn't it be funny if it didn't close right now? But it does. It's good. I think it looks pretty good. And from way back here, it looks really good. Now, a skilled professional would take the time and sand this door down, fix the little bit of rot that's left over here, seal everything up with some caulk. I mean, I did go buy the caulk. I do plan on doing it, but I have 4 more months before winter, so I got time. I don't want to rush into it. I mean, I could do the repairs now. You'd watch me do some sanding and fix some rot and fill in some holes and put some caulk on all the joints and watch me paint, but I'm sure this video has already been boring enough. You don't need to be sitting around watching paint dry. So that's where I'm going to call the video today. That's it. That's my door fix. Overall, it's a solid fix though, right? Not bad. I even got the steel for free. It's at least 31% stronger than it was when we started. It looks a little bit better. It looks like industrial. It's going to hold up to the wind, the rain, the dog, whatever else I throw at it. If you made it to the end, I appreciate you. You are better than most. Maybe you'll give me a like or subscribe if you're not, and hopefully you'll tune into another video at some point. Thanks for watching.